Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Whitestone Dome UV Curing Premium Screen Protector Film for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So with this packaging, there are two packs inside. So at the top here there is a glue that you need to open. Once it is open, you can then pull out the content of the box. So in here it is also included with a UV light right here. Now this is a UV light, but there is no cable. So if you have your phone charging cable, you can use that to for this UV light. And in here we have a wipe. So we have two wipe pack, and we've got a rubber weight, and here is the film. So we've got the UV gen film, so I can open it. So we've got some installation guide at the back here. Okay, so let's open it and see what it looks like. Here is the film. It's got paste start here, so I assume we're gonna peel it open from here. At the top here is the protective side, and here we can open this. So there is an adapter. So this is the installation guide. So we place this into here. Okay, so we place it in here. So this is the wrong way, so I suppose this is for the iPhone as well, the plug for the iPhone, as well as Android phone. So here is the USB-C type, and then we're just going to use this as a guide. You can see here it fit right into the adapter. So then you can just install it, and it should fit directly onto your Galaxy device. Okay, so let's try to install it and see how we go with that. So I'm going to open up this cleaning packaging. So I'll give it a good clean. Then we use the alcohol wipe again to clean it. This will clean it off any dust, fingerprints, and so on. Then I'm going to use this microfiber cloth and then clean off once more. Okay, so that's off, and then we can use this dust absorber. And then we can kind of stick out any debris and dust still remaining on the screen. Okay, so once that is done, we're going to place this on. So I'm going to place it on here. Before you do that, I forgot, we need to peel this one back out. So we peel this off like so. So we peel this off, and then we place this on top. Now the dust has come back during that, so I'm going to take out the dust, and then we place that on. And using the squeezer, and we start here. So we're gonna squeeze it in like that. Now double check at the top to make sure it is aligned with the camera cutout. So if it's aligned correctly, and if you're happy, we can then turn the phone around and then squeeze out the bubbles. Alright, so we do that. Now we can turn it around. And here there is this thing here, helps you to stop the phone from moving about. So I can place it at the top here. So it's quite strong. You can't, once you stick it, it doesn't move. So we can kind of use that as a stopper. And then from here, we can begin to peel back this one. Like so. And then we're going to push in, as you can see. We can use the switcher and then push it in. Like so. Just gonna turn off my phone and then we squeeze it in. Okay, so once you're happy, we're going to turn the phone around on the other side. Here, I'm just gonna lift this one up. And then I'm going to remove the adapter right here. And again, we're going to align it up to the stopper. And we peel this one right back, all the way back. And then we're going to use the switcher and squeeze it in like that. We push it down slowly to push out all the bubbles. I always have problem with installing bubbles without a screen protector, but with this particular design, it is awesome because it doesn't cause bubbles at all. So there is some bubbles here, but we can kind of like push it out. So I can push out the bubbles. So push out the bubbles. Okay, now we're going to turn it over. And finally, we're going to peel back this protective cover at the top. You can see it's a front. So I'm going to push it against the stopper and then peel back. Gentle. So we gently peel it all the way back. And then we're going to use this one and push the edge down. So there are some on the edge here, as you can see. So we need to push it all the way down on the edge. And push it down on the edge here as well. Now if you notice, there is a small line in the middle right here running across. Now by looking at the instruction, it says this line will go away in a few days time after using. So don't be too paranoid that when you see this line here, it should go away after a few days. Well, that is according to the instruction that I have seen. Or you can try to kind of like push it down a little bit with this switcher. So kind of push it down. Now I can see it's slowly already gone away. So here I'm just gonna push it in, and the final step is to use the UV light curing, and we're going to cure it. So we need to put it at the top for 60 seconds and at the bottom for 60 seconds. Okay, so I have plugged it in to my UV light curing and press on the power button twice for 60 seconds. 1, 2. So do this for 60 seconds at the top, 60 seconds in the middle, and 60 seconds at the bottom. Okay, once that is done, we can take it out of the way. Now look at how beautiful it is. I have to say this must be one of the best film protector for my Galaxy phone. It is so easy to install. After it is installed, it is so smooth as well. Very, very smooth. Now if I zoom in right here, you can see on the edge, you can't even tell that there is a screen protector on at all. It is so transparent that you can't see it at all, and it is very well blended in on the edge of the screen. And here is the camera cutout right here. And as for fingerprints, you may need to rescan your fingerprint. Now here in my case, I do not need to rescan, but if you find that it does not work, then you can simply rescan your fingerprint. And that's it. That is the unboxing video of the Whitestone UV Gen film protector for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now I only have used one pack, so over time if this one get damaged or scratches, you have another one to replace it with. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.